good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on wherever you are across the nations of the earth. Today, I want to show us how to make withdrawal from this trunks mining website. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly go ahead and hit the subscription button. Also hit the like button, hit the notification button, so that you always be the first to receive every new video or every new update. Share this video with friends, share with family members and colleagues, so they can also partake of this very good free opportunity to make money, particularly for cryptocurrency lovers. This website allows you to connect your Tron Pro Link wallet using the balance in your wallet. You're not sending your money to any third party, you're not sending your money to the website. Your balance will be in your Tron Pro Link wallet. You just connect using your Dapp to the website and you start mining. Receive approximately about 4.5% daily. 4.5% of whatever is the balance in your Tron wallet is what you get daily from the mining. So this video is particularly, and it is all free of charge. This video is particularly to show us how to do the withdrawal. I've done the first withdrawal today. This is the second withdrawal I'm going to do. I want to put it on record so that everybody that is interested can also join this beautiful opportunity. I'll be leaving my referral link at the description of this video. You can use that referral link to paste it on your Dapp, the Tron Pro Link Dapp, and enter. It will connect you to the website. It will show you approval. Once you approve, it will connect you to the website and you start mining and start making money. That's all that is needed. You're not paying money to any third party. You're not transferring your money to any third party. Your money will be in the safety of your wallet. So let's see how to withdraw from this platform. So this is my own Tron Pro Link wallet. So you click the Dapp to open. The Dapp opens. Because I've been using it before, you see the history here. So I simply click on the website to open. So the website opens. Here's the website. So you now click on your account. Right now, total output that has been generated for me is, you can see it here, 85.4. You can see my wallet balance 106. You can see the balance of USDT is 0. So now I want to withdraw. First thing you do is to exchange the Tron to USDT. Exchange the Tron to USDT. That's the first thing to do. So how do I go about that? I could say redeem all. Okay, I just type it. I think I type it. It's 85.4. 85.4 is what I have. So I click exchange. Success. You can see the 85.4 trans has moved to USDT, and the USDT value is 5.176. So I now move to withdraw and put the same USDT, value, 5.176. Or I leave the fraction, just put 5. Okay, 5.176. 5.176. Let's put everything there. 5.176. Then I now click confirm. It shows success. It's gone. It's gone. The withdrawal has been made. So I've withdrawn what has been mined for me today. So let's quickly go back to my wallet to see if that has happened, if it has reflected on my balance. Can remember that my balance is 106 USDT, and I've just withdrawn about 5.176, so which should take it about 111 point something. So let's see if that has happened. This is my wallet. You can see my wallet is still showing 106 USDT. So let's refresh it. Let's refresh and see. It doesn't take so long. Let's refresh it. Okay, I'll pause this video, and as soon as it drops, I will complete it. Okay, the withdrawal has just entered. Well, this time around it took about 9 to 10 minutes before arriving. Unlike the first one I withdrew in the morning. The first one I withdrew in the morning took less than 2 minutes, but this one took up to 9 to 10 minutes. But here you can see my balance. It's now 1112. Let's look at it. Details. The receipts. It's not showing here yet. Okay, look at it. Look at it. 5.176. It's showing. This was the one I would do in the morning. This was one I used to the one I put in my account. This was the balance I had to put in my account to start the mining. This is my first withdrawal. This is my second withdrawal. The one we just did now in this video. It's not showing under, I don't know what. We're showing under receipt. Not showing under receipt. But that is it. So the withdrawal has come. That is how to do withdrawal. Once again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, share this video, support us so that the video will go viral. And most importantly, check the description of this video. You see the referral link for this opportunity, an opportunity that is free of charge. Your money, USDT, is inside your wallet. Nobody controls it. You control it by yourself, and you just connect it to a mining website, and it's mining money for you. You can see from this evidence shared today, I have received 5 plus. This is approximately $10 today, right in the comfort of my wallet. So I think it's something that somebody should join. However, the disclaimer remains that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. So you consider the opportunity, do your own due diligence, and then take a decision. It's also at your own risk. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.